My mobile iPhone 5s is dead. Nothing, not working. Let's see. Open. Let's check the battery first. So I don't have anything, tools, equipment. I don't have anything. I have only this screwdriver. This is called 6/8 screwdriver. Then that's it. I don't have anything others. So I just need to use idea how to open. Then I think it will open from here. I cannot use this one knife. Slowly, because I don't have anything. I don't have anything to do. I don't have any tools. There's a special tools for the iPhone, but I don't have this thing. It's open a little bit. Ooh. Yes. Oh. When you open, be careful, because see, it's open now. We have to open very carefully, because when we don't have a proper tool, so we have to be careful. So it might damage more. So there is a lock. See, it's open now. See, it's open now. So there's a cable, so I need to remove this cable. So don't use your hand. You have to, if you have a tweezer, you can use a tweezer, small tweezer. Then you just remove the cable first. See, this cable. Okay, it will goes up. Okay, it will goes up. It's okay. So first we need to check the battery. There's a 4/8. I need a 4/8 screwdriver. I don't have a 4/8, so I need to use this. This is the battery, so I need to open this too. Okay, now it's open. This is the one. Okay. Yes, it's open now. This one. Okay, and there is a screw. Whenever you are just catching the iPhone, you have to catch properly and carefully. There is a cable, screen cable, and you have to be careful, more careful. Okay, then there is a battery cable. Okay, you need to remove this battery cable, so you have to use hand. If you use this one, this is a metal, so it might be short somewhere, short circuit, so you just use your hand like this. Okay. So this battery, I think, yes. So if you want to remove the battery, you just put like this, not this one. There is a special tools for the iPhone. You just insert here, then slowly you have to remove the battery. So there is a glue. So this was repaired, but technician said they changed the battery. So they didn't change the battery. If they change the battery, it's removed easily. See, it's very hard. So this is original battery. So I have to make some idea for this one. Okay. There's a point. Okay. There's a point. So I need to do some ideas. 1 second. I just stop the video, then I will come again. For the charging, I don't have the special charger for the battery. Now I have this one, emergency light. Okay, so I will remove this emergency light. Okay, so this is my idea. So how to make the phone? See, I'll just remove the battery first. Okay, so we can remove easily this battery from here. No, it doesn't come out. Okay, I'll just take the another two. Finally, I've got this one. Okay, just remove the battery like this. Okay, like this. See, like this. I need to give extra charge for this mobile, so I don't have the extra charger, which is like 6 volt, 3 volt, which is give 6, 3 volt, like that. So I don't have the charger, the another charger. Okay, so let's remove the cable. Yeah. Okay, so battery, and then just take out the little bit, this one. Okay, plus and minus. Okay, so just take the 2 wire and then just put it here. Put it here. Okay, okay, this is a new experiment, guys. This is a new experiment. So my phone is dead, so I don't want to take to the technician shop, electrical shop, mobile repair shop. So I just wanted to get new ideas how to fix mobile. So normal problem, so we can fix ourselves at home, so no need to spend lots of money. So when you bring it out, this mobile, So you know this iPhone, so they will charge huge. So it's a minor case. So if the battery is not working, so you can change battery also yourself. Okay, so you just, this is for the to give charge to the battery, mobile battery. So that's a totally dead the battery. Okay, this video gonna be long, no worries, at least you can get some ideas how to fix your mobile at home without taking to the bringing to the technician. Okay, so we never know, technician will say everything, your charging IC is gone, it will be cost high, that blah blah blah. It's better to check ourselves if you have idea. So I have already idea, so how to check in all. If you have an idea, so no need to take this to the technician. Okay, so this one, okay, so I just make it ready, and then let's this one, very careful. We can also open this one for now. So for easy, we need to open this one also, then we need to remove this. Okay, for now we need to charge this one, so no need to, we have to do carefully. Let's see. So I'm gonna face the camera this side. Okay, so this one will plug into the AC. Okay, this is an emergency light cable, and it will goes to the AC here. Okay, here and here. Okay, it will go here. So this should be, this should not touch each other. So if you touch each other, it might get blast damage. Okay, here also. Okay, so there is some voltage, like how much voltage is coming to for the battery charge. So this voltage will give to the mobile battery. Okay, it just only shocked. Okay, so maybe it will be okay. After this, so the final process, just 1 second. After you plug in this one, okay, you get the mobile here. Okay, be careful, and then okay, this plug has to be open. Okay, so lights on. Okay, see the lights on. Okay, and then this is the mobile, just put it here. Okay, just put it here like this, and then 1 second, I need to have some support. Okay, like this. Okay, then be carefully catch the wire, and then give us 1 second, 1 second more. I'll just make it up more. Up. Okay, let's put it up here. Still more high. Okay, see. Okay, then just get the, put the socket here, plus and minus. Okay, plus and minus, you have to check first. If you have a multimeter, you have to check plus and minus, otherwise it will not gonna work. Okay, so this side is plus, this side is minus. Okay, let me do it. Charge. Okay, so plus and minus. Make it very slowly, don't be hurry. Okay, don't be hurry. 1 second, I just make it properly. Make it properly, don't be hurry, slowly. Okay, just give it up like 30 second or 40 second or else 1 minute. So if you have a more voltage, if you have a 3 voltage charger, so you can give 1 minute. Okay, if you have like this, if you use through the new ideas, so you just give them toucher only, just touch and out. Okay, let's see. Oh, 1 moment. See, so I don't have a proper tool, that's why it's looks so difficult, you know, so odd. It's okay, it's a new idea. If you don't have any tools to repair the mobile, so you can do it also. This is the idea only, I just wanted to share some idea what I have. Okay, I think the power is gone. Moment, the charging is let's see, let's check now. Okay, let's check now. Okay, I'll just get the charger. Now I got a charger. Let's see it will show or not. Let's plug the battery cable, this one. Okay, so just put it here. Yeah, just cable it. Okay, and then let me check. See, now it's on. See, so it's work. My idea is done. It's working. See, it will open later on. It will take time because battery is totally dead. If you like my video, please like, thumbs up and share. Okay, see, it's on now. Thank you. Yes guys, now the mobile is working. See.